Hello and welcome guys, this is Hamna on my father's channel, Explore Umar with Usman. It's a beautiful bright morning and I have come for a morning walk. Let's have fun together. Stay tuned. See you in a bit. Guys, there's nothing better than going for a morning walk in a beautiful place with a beautiful daddy who loves nature and who teaches us to fall love in nature. Just look at the weather. Let's go and take some rides and have some fun. Hello, you want to join us in these swings? When we play these wonderful swings, now we start to play on these slides. Let's go. Guys, it was amazing having no children in the park. We are all alone and we could do whatever we want. There are no crazy chats that could bother us. Is it really fun? What do you think? Let's have another one. Guys, it's such a wonderful place. That's why we love Umar. And please subscribe to our channel, Explore Umar with Usman. See you guys in the next video. Guys, I hope you subscribe to my first vlog. And I hope you like my vlog. The next time it's bye for Hamna. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Have a lovely day.
Hello.